PCPC, start with algebra. Algebra, you always have the four fundamental. Okay? You have the addition, subtraction,
multiplication,
and
division.
Okay. The answer of addition, always remember, it is sum. The answer of subtraction is difference. Okay. The answer of multiplication is product. The answer of division is motion. Okay, we will start with one equation with one unknown. Okay? One equation with one unknown. Okay, we'll start with x. Okay? You'll have x plus 1 equal to 1/2. The question is find x. So find x. So the concept of addition, subtraction, you combine always the like terms. Combine the like terms. Yung parehas. Parehas lang yan sa, it is just the same way. Tomato to garlic, you segregate, you arrange garlic. Tomato. Okay. What is the thing that you're going to combine here? You combine the numbers. We call that one as constant. Okay, you combine x plus 1 equal to 1/2. 1/2. What will you combine? You combine 1 and 1/2. How? When you transfer number to other equal, nag-jump ka, you jump from equal, you are changing your sign. Okay. X, you let one jump on the other equal sign. It will positive to
Negative.
1/2, naging 1. Minus 1. Okay? Nag-guess nyo?
Apo.
When you jump to other, it is just the same, no? In the Philippines, when you jump to other countries, what do you need? You need
Passport.
and there are some visa.
Visa.
There are some countries, they do not like, they don't
Visa.
require visa as long as you have
Passport.
Yan ang mga pwede dito. Okay. When you jump, you only change the sign. Yung nag-jump. Okay? So you let x equal to, you get now the least common denominator, yung sinabi ko. Dalawa man yan. Least common denominator or common denominator. This one, when you have exact number, it is understood to have 1. Diba, ang common denominator, ang sabi ko, you just multiply. 2 times 1, 2. Ang least common, parehas din. 2 din. Because the other one is 1. Okay. So 2 is the least common denominator. At the same time, it is the
Denominator.
least common or common denominator. So 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. Times 1.
1.
Minus 2 divided by 1, 2.
2.
Times 1. 2 times 1.
2.
Equal to, so 1 minus 2 is negative
2. Y squared.
So this is the answer. If you want to be sure that your answer is correct, you check my checking. Checking. You check from the original equation. From original equation. You will have x plus 1 equal to 1/2. Okay? So you substitute the value. What is x? The value substitute. Substitute x. Substitute
X.
x equal to negative
Y.
1. Substitute. So negative 1/2 plus 1 equal to 1/2. You get the least common ulit. This common is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Times 1 is negative 1. Plus 2 divided by 1 is 2. Times 1 is 2.
2.
Equal to
Negative 1.
So negative 1 plus 2, ano lalabas?
X squared.
Positive 1. So 1/2 over 2 is 1. So ang ibig sabihin, it is okay and it is check. Kasi class, if you are doubtful with your answer, balikan mo, you go back to the equation, you check the answer. Yan ang simple maths ha. One equation, one ano. Any question?